Unlock the full potential of your generated leads by learning how to effortlessly extract your valuable data from Dealmachine. First, log into your Dealmachine account from your dashboard. Locate and click the Leads tab. Typically found in the main navigation, this will take you directly to your list of leads. On the Leads page, filter your leads by criteria like status or campaign, then select individual leads using checkboxes, or choose to export all visible leads by selecting the master checkbox at the top of the list. After selecting, locate and click the Export button. This button is usually clearly labeled, or might be found within a More Actions drop-down menu. Clicking it initiates the export workflow. A pop-up will appear with export options. Choose your desired file format, typically CSV, and select specific data fields if available. Review these options, then click Confirm or Download to finalize your export. Your lead data will now download to your device, ready for custom analysis or seamless integration into your marketing efforts. You've successfully exported your leads.